बेहद की परम शांति. Today we are going to talk about, can weaker soul go to higher dimensions? Weaker soul do not have the power nor the soul capacity to understand the knowledge of the infinite world. Due to this fact, they will not be able to carry out the sacrifice and the penance needed for this ultimate knowledge. Knowledge, sacrifice, and penance are all important. However, without the sacrifice and the penance, there will surely no fruit. A weaker soul will ultimately never be able to understand the supreme knowledge. Therefore, there is no reason to take them to the infinite celestial world. For example, if there is a soul who has 1 degree of celestial power and they are given 4 to 6 degrees of celestial power more, they will automatically dissolve, become mukt, as they do not have the soul capacity to handle that amount of power. Similarly, if there is a soul with half degree of celestial power and they are given 2 degrees of celestial power, they will also dissolve, become mukt, as there will not have the soul capacity to handle that amount of power. When the transformation of the multiverse occurs, there will be 10 degree of celestial power in the atmosphere. So only the souls with 30 to 40 degrees of celestial power more will be able to live in it. Even within the 33 crores of demigods, half of them will attain salvation, Jivan Mukti, and the other half will attain soul dissolution, Mukti. This is due to the fact when the 33 crores demigods came from the great universe to 198 years, they made many creations, which decreased their power. This left some of them with not even 2 to 3 degrees of celestial power. So if they are given 4 times more celestial power than what they already have, they will still not have enough power to survive in the atmosphere of the new multiverse. Even soul of Shiv, Vishnu, Shankar or Brahma only uses an ounce of the power to create the creations. During the transformation of the new multiverse, all of the souls whom are originally from the universe up till Great Universe 7 will dissolve, Mukt, except for half of the 33 crore demigods from the Great Universe 2, the souls with higher celestial power in Great Universe 8 and beyond will attain salvation, Jivan Mukti. Once they are given 4 to 5 times more power than what they already have. If the weaker souls are given too much power, they will dissolve, Mukt. Even if Almighty Authority Himself wishes to give them a lot of power, they just would not be able to receive it. Although they are not the types of soul that would do any deeds that might make Almighty Authority happy. There are only handful of high quality souls that reside in the Almighty Authority's heart. So if a weaker soul was to actually do deeds that would make the Almighty Authority keep them in his heart, then that soul would be able to reach the infinite world. However, the truth of the matter is a weaker soul will never do such deeds or even follow the path of the ultimate knowledge. Today's science gives proof and knowledge of up till the multiverse, which is why any soul who has been familiar with today's science would understand Bapuji's videos of the multiverse. However, the knowledge of the infinite is something that is not easily understandable by everyone. This is why during the transformation of the multiverse, the weaker soul will not attain salvation, Jivan Mukti, as they will go into dissolution, Mukti. Param Shanti.